This video explains how to set the time and date on your GBD-100 watch. Press the back button to return to the timekeeping mode from other modes. Now, hold down the display button for about 2 seconds to start the setting mode. Choose the home time setting using the mode button or display button, and press run button to select. Select city from the options for the city code list, then choose the desired city and confirm it by pressing the run button. Select the daylight saving mode and set the required mode, then press run button to confirm. Return to the main menu, then choose the time adjustment and press run button to start the settings. Choose manual time setting from the menu and confirm by pressing the run button. Now, set the hour using mode button and display button, then press run button to confirm. Similarly, set the minutes and confirm by pressing the run button. Follow the same procedure to set the year, month, and day, then confirm it by pressing the run button. Now, choose Yes from the options to save the settings, and press Run button to confirm it. Select the time display format using the Mode button and the Display button, then confirm it using Run button. Press the back button to return to the main menu. You can toggle the key operation tone on and off by selecting beep setting from the menu. Confirm the selection by pressing the Run button and press Back button to return to main menu. same way, you can set the auto light setting, and toggle the light duration between 1.5 seconds and 3 seconds. Confirm the selection by pressing the Run button. Once the settings are the way you want, press Back button to return to timekeeping mode. For more tutorial videos, please subscribe to GShock Middle East YouTube channel and like our videos.